Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. From here, go to your chats. Now open the chat that you want to check if they have blocked you. Send them a message and wait for a reply. Next, search for their account in your followers list. Go to your followers and then search for their username. Tap on their profile to see their posts and photos. If you can see them, it means they haven't blocked you. However, for tutorial purposes, I will switch to that account and demonstrate how to block someone. So as you can see, I'm switching to that account. After switching to the account, go to the chat and open the message sent from the previous profile. Now, I'm blocking the previous profile to demonstrate the blocking process. Just tap on their profile and then scroll down to the bottom and select block. Once it's done, I will switch back to the previous profile. Now go to their chat and try sending them a message. As you can see, the message is not being delivered. After that, open their profile. From here, check if you can see their posts or followers. If you can't see them, that means they have blocked you. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.